How to make a paracord bracelet, the XOXO bar. Hey, we're back! I hope that you're all well, safe and sound, and that you're ready for today's project. The inspiration for this project came from Tim over the Weavers of Eternity, so make sure to check them out. Today we're gonna use the mint green Paracord 550 and the blue Paracord 550 as well. The buckles are 5/8 of an inch and we have the Paracord JIG. Before we start, if you learn how to make this beautiful Paracord bracelet I am wearing today, you can do so by checking the tutorial in the top right corner information cards, also down below in the description box of this video. So we're gonna take our blue paracord and we're gonna pull it by the ends to find the center of our cord, and afterwards we're gonna create the bite, and from the top side we're gonna pull it through the buckle. Now from here we're gonna pull those two cords through the loop, and by doing this we're gonna create our cow's hitch or cow's hitch. So if we leave it like this, we'll have the, as you can see, empty space from the right side and from the left side, and when we finish our weaving we're gonna have this part empty. So we're gonna rearrange a bit this knot. We're gonna create a double cow's hitch. So we're gonna take the right strand or a left, all it's up to you. As I said, right strand, and from the back through the buckle, and as you can see we created a little loop here, and now I'm gonna pull the paracord through this loop. Pinch it on the back, and now the right side on top of that inner cord or a base cord. So on top and through the middle, and now from the back through the loop. By doing this we're gonna secure our cord on the buckle. And here we are. Now we're gonna simply create the basic cobra weave like so, and before I lock it I'm gonna insert our mint green from the back through each loop on the left and right side, close to the or next to the base cords, so through the loops, and here I'm gonna pull the end to make sure that it's even, and now we're gonna lock our cobra weave and secure our mint green added cords, as you can see. Now we're gonna take the left side and we're gonna cross it to the right, and we do the same on the right side. We're gonna cross it to the left and proceed. Now I'm gonna take the right strand blue, make it on top of the base cords, and then the left side on top of the right side, around and from the back through the loop, so the basic Solomon weave or a cobra knot as you wish. Pull it to make it tight, cinch it, and then readjust your mint green paracords like so, and we're gonna proceed. So we're gonna create another Solomon weave or a cobra knot, and before we lock it we're gonna pull our mint green from the back through the loop, And now we're gonna lock it. And again rearrange the mint green. And cross it. And another copper knot. So basically, this is the pattern for today's project. So here we are. As you can see, we finished our today's project. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and the family. And if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best, and see you soon. Bye!